What's going on, everybody? I know it's been a while since I made a video on my Civic, so I decided to take you guys for a ride. I made some recent changes, replaced some parts on the car, and I'll talk about that in a minute. Let me just get situated real quick. Alright, it's kind of hot right now too. Right now it should be about 90, 92 maybe. But yeah, so I'm just making this video to just catch everybody up to what I've done already. I changed my shocks again, so I went and I don't know if you guys know, but I went and changed it, and I bought some shocks from AutoZone, and they were like, you know, regular stock height shocks, and I replaced the KYBs that was in the car. Now I got some Ibach sport springs with those KYBs, but you know, I think two of them were blown. So one of the rear was blown, and I think the passenger side was blown too. So I replaced them, and I replaced them with that AutoZone brand, and they weren't really that good. So I went and changed them again. I ordered a set of True Hearts struts, all four of them, and I just changed that, I would say about 2 weeks ago. And you know, they're sports height. I mean, they're lower struts. They're not, you know, the OEM height, and you know, I think it made a significant difference. So what I've noticed is, you know, the ride has been less bumpy. The turns, I feel like it's more firm. Cut through turns, it seems like it hugged it a little bit better. I wasn't bouncing around on those turns, so I felt pretty good about, you know, making this purchase. And like I said, I just bought them on eBay, and I think they're authentic. I mean, they look like it. They came in a box. And yeah, the ride has been pretty good. Now, you know, I know I'm on Ibach sport springs, and I kind of figured it was gonna be a little soft, but yeah, so the rebound has been soft, but I don't get those, you know, dramatic slams, you know, when I hit like a small pothole. And so I know these struts are working. So that's one of the things that I've done recently. But when I changed it, when I changed the struts, I also went ahead and replaced the wheels, the wheel hub in the back. So I replaced. Alright, sorry about that, guys, but you guys got cut off. I guess my phone camera overheated and stopped recording. But yeah, those are just a few things I wanted to talk about. Now I got several projects that I'm going to be working on, and I'll make sure I make a video of those. So please stay tuned. Number one thing for me right now is getting the car painted. So I'm going to be plastic dipping the whole car. I have all the paint and everything already. So I'm just trying to find the time to go actually and prep up and do it. So that's one. Another one is I need to fix the ignition switch cable on this. You know, when I turn it, sometimes it doesn't work. I gotta turn it multiple times to key for it to start the car. So that's another one that I'm gonna be working on. Hopefully I can get a video of that too. And then I'll show you guys some of the parts that I just got that I'll be installing on the car. Alright guys, that's it for now.